Okay, here we have a joint variation problem. It is given that y varies jointly with the square of x and cube of z. So let's write this joint variation equation. So I write y varies jointly with the square of x. So I write square of x and cube of z. So I put z cube. So this is basically a joint variation equation. Now to convert into this equation without this symbol of variation, we have to put this as equal, and when we introduce a equal sign, we have to introduce a constant k, which is a constant of proportionality. So y equal k times x squared and z cube. So this is basically the joint variation equation with k as a constant. Now we have to determine the k using the given information. So let's use this information, that is y equals 100. So I put y equal to 100, and this equals k times of when x equal to 5. So replace x by 5, it becomes 5 squared, and z equal to 2. So replace z by 2, therefore it becomes 2 cube. We can solve for k from this equation. So this is 100 on the left side, and this equals k times of 5 square is 25, and 2 cube is 8. Let's solve this. So this gives 100 equals 25 times 8 is 200. So 200 times k is 200k. Now let's solve for k by dividing both sides by 200. So when we do that, we get k equals 100 by 200, and this is 1 half. So we determine the value of k equals 1 half. So now we can plug this value of k into the variation equation and solve for y. So let me do that. We have y equals k equal to half. So I put half times x squared and z cube. Now we have to find y when x equal to 2 and z equal to 5. We can do this by using this variation equation. So we are solving for y, and this equals 1 by 2. Replace x by 2, so therefore this becomes 2 squared, and replace z by 5, so it becomes 5 cube. Let's simplify and evaluate y. So this equals 1 half. 2 square is 4, and 5 cube is 125. Let's cancel this 4 with the 2 as 2 times. Now we get 2 times of 125, and this equals 250. So we determine the value of y equals 250.